Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the FaceTime filter on TikTok. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about a minute. All you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. Once you're on TikTok, you just want to go to the Discover tab and go up to the top search bar. Click on that and just search for video call filter. Once you search for that, you just want to see under all the top people here, you just want to click on the first video and just scroll through until you see this right here. So just right above the person's username, you'll see that little yellow star with the video call sign on it. You want to click on that and then just click on add to favorites, and it'll add to your favorites for future usage. But if you are having trouble finding it in the first couple, just keep scrolling, you will find it if it's available in your region at least. Anyways, I hope I was able to help you guys out in showing you how to get this filter. If it was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.